Here are a few more answers to some questions that I've been getting lately about using the simplest construction methods you possibly can to build a small unit, shed, home, garage, or workshop. And I can't think of anything simpler than a building with a shed roof. And even though this one has a foundation on it with 12-inch by 12-inch footings, so that would be 12 inches up from here, and then a 12-inch width, and then you might have a 4-inch to a 6-inch thick slab. So if I had a 6-inch thick slab with a 12-inch footing, I'm going to have 18 inches from the top of the floor to the bottom of the footing. And I've seen plenty of buildings like these that aren't very big, maybe a 10 by 10, built on top of a 4-inch thick slab without any footings. And one that I built a long time ago had a 3.5-inch thick footing and lasted a long time. Framing stud spacing, 16 inches on center. You might even be able to go a little farther. And you might even choose a single top plate to save a few dollars also. And don't forget, you can always build a wood-framed floor for something like this if you don't want a concrete slab. And the beauty of this right here is all in the roof, where you can just simply add a beam to the back. And I believe in our example here, we have a 20-foot by 20-foot building that would require a 5-inch additional height in the back to give us 1/4 of an inch per foot. So I went ahead and added a 4x6 beam for this. You could always extend the height of the wall when you're framing it, and even extend the height of the wall framing studs on each side, the angled side of the roof, to eliminate the small studs you're going to put in there like we have here. And we're also going to use 2x4s for our lookouts there to support the fascia board, overhang on each side. And you can always make this a little longer or smaller to save a few more dollars. And I do have other videos at the website for building a variety of different buildings, like a 2-car garage, for example, and even some small homes. So don't forget to go to the website and check those out. Let's go ahead and add our roof sheathing and wrap this video up. Let us know what you think in the comment area. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment area also.